Oh, look there. Come on. See, if we save these, or you take some of these home, you could plant them.
Plant your own gourds? Oh my.
Gourds.
I'm sure the pet shop sells goldfish. Let's check it out. Come on, team.
Good job, Kaylee. Yeah, get that lining stuff out of there.
You guys are sure getting lots of exercise today.
Stay tuned for more treats on Cookie Jar TV.
Look at that.
With Kids Bop is always a good time. It's Kids Bop 23 with somebody's
Whoa.
some 5 kids, 4 kids. It's time.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of seeds. There's that many seeds in there? Thank you. I'm a little warm right now.
Okay, see if you can reach your finger in there. You turn upside down like that, and then very gently, kind of like that, and pull them up.
Life is accepting applications for their affordable grow-up plan. It's easy to help your child get off to a good financial start for just pennies a day. Free information will be sent to parents and grandparents who...
Oh yeah, Kaylee, look at that. Good job.
Oh, that was a good one.
Grow-up plan gives your child $10,000
Oh,
in
sounds like it's clean, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
One birdhouse ready to go.
Okay, what we'll do